In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to save an animation as a video in Cinema 4D. If you've animated something in Cinema 4D and you're ready to share it, the key is telling the program to output a video file and then actually rendering that file. We'll do this entirely through the render settings and a quick render command. And I'll walk you through what each choice means so you get a clean, playable video at the end. Start by opening the render menu and choosing render settings. This is where Cinema 4D learns what to produce. Inside render settings, look for the save section. This is the most important part for exporting a video. Make sure the save option is enabled. When it's off, nothing gets written to disk. With save turned on, you'll choose two critical things: where the file goes, and what format it uses. First, set a destination. Click the file path field and pick a folder you can easily find later. Give your file a clear name so you recognize it at a glance. It's a small step, but it saves a lot of confusion when you have multiple versions. Next, choose your file format. This determines how your animation is packaged. If you need a single, ready-to-play video, select a standard video container format. The exact options can vary by version, but look for a format that outputs a movie file rather than a sequence of still images. If you see image formats like PNG or JPG, those are great for image sequences but won't give you a single video file. For a straightforward outcome, pick a video format commonly used for web and review purposes. This helps ensure the file opens easily on most devices. While you're in save, it's also a good moment to double-check your output path and format one more time. A quick glance now can prevent accidental overwrites or saving to the wrong location. If your chosen format offers quality or compression settings, pick a balanced option that keeps your file size manageable without sacrificing too much detail. Once those details are set, you're ready to render. Go back to the render menu and start the render so Cinema 4D can process your frames and write the video to the destination you chose. You'll see progress as each frame is calculated. When it's finished, navigate to the folder you selected and play the file to confirm everything looks and sounds as expected. And that's it. By enabling save, choosing a proper video format and destination, and rendering from the render menu, you'll reliably export your Cinema 4D animation as a video.